हेलो गाइस। नहीं। हाँ। हेलो। हेलो। वी आर बैक। आई एम बैक नॉट आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम बट आई थोड़ा। हाँ, तो मैंने मूछें कटवा ली और बाल भी ठीक करा लिए। ठीक ठाक दिख रहा थोड़ा। और बाहर अभी अच्छा मौसम हो रहा पर मैं कमरे में हूँ। और अभी अभी शायद से बज रहे हैं, अभी बज रहे हैं 6:21। और 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 let me tell you a poem by Walt Whitman. Okay, age isn't. Let it be a long poem. Age, 1 hour of madness and joy. 1 hour of madness and joy. Oh furious, oh confine me not. What is this that frees me so in storms? What do my shouts amid lightnings and raging winds mean? Oh, to drink the mystic Delrina deeper than any man. Oh, savage and tender achings. I bequeath them to you, my children. I tell them to you for reason. O bridegroom and bride. Oh, to be yielded to you, whoever you are, and you to be yielded to me in defiance of the world. Oh, to return to paradise. Oh, bashful and feminine. Feminine. Oh, to draw. Oh, to draw you to me, to plant on you for the first time the lips of a determined man, to puzzle the three-tied knot, the deep and dark pool, all untied and illumined, to speed where there is space enough and air enough last, to be absolved from previous ties and convention, I from mine and from yours, to find a new unthought of nonchalance with the best of nature. I have the gag removed from one's mouth, to have feelings today or any day and sufficient as I am. Or something unproved, something in a trance, to escape utterly from others' anchors and holes, to drive free, to love, to dash reckless and dangerous, to court destruction with taunts, with invitations, to ascend, to leap to the heavens of the love indicated to me, to rise thither with the inebriate soul, to be lost if it must be so, to be fed, to feed the remainder of life with 1 hour of fullness and freedom, with one brief hour of madness and joy. This was the whole poem, and ऐसे ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आया मेरे को। कुछ को छोटी सी पढ़ते हैं यार। um, कुछ तो थी वुमेन वाली यार इसमें। Child. Oh, my father, I like not the houses. They will never to be me anything, nor do I like money. Oh, गलत बोल दिया मैंने। शुरू से अच्छा, there are two poems, there are child and the father, and okay, they are only adjacent to each other. Child first and the father next. So I will read child and then the father next. Oh, my father, I like not the houses. They will never to me be anything, nor do I like the money. But to mount up there I would like, oh father dear, that banner I like, that pennant I would be and must be. And then the father. Poem of the father may not be the reply of the father. Child of mine, you fill me with anguish. To be that pennant would be too fearful. Little you know what it is this day, and after this day, forever. क्या
मस्त था वो तो निकल जो भी गाना सा लिखा था वो
मैंने गाना लिखा था?
बात थे
अच्छा।
वो बम पता नहीं क्या था मस्त था लेकिन पढ़ा तो मजा
मैंने नहीं लिखा था वो,
तो
किसी और का था, तुमको शेयर हो गया था।
चल यार
सच्ची
मुझे लगा इतनी क्रिएटिविटी तो आगे कम से कम मस्त था वो था
अरे नहीं यार।
यार
It is to gain nothing but risk and defy everything, forward to stand in front of wars, and oh such wars, what have you do with them? What have you do to with them? With passion of demons, slaughter, premature death. Okay, so this was also the reply of the father, not not a single poem that has to be read without the child's poem first, or the father's poem to be read without the child. Other way around, the child poem should be. I mean, the father poem should also be read alongside with the child's poem. In order, first child and then father. Maybe the child is saying that I love my childhood and I would like to be child always, but I like some things that to get them I should become an adult, but I don't like to become an adult. And the father says something I don't know how. और रुको, चलो मैं तुम्हें अपना सुनाता कुछ. मतलब पोएट्री काफ़ी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सी होती है. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कैसे बोले? व्हाट इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट? सपोज दैट यू आर प्लेइंग चेस. देयर आर 16 पीसेस हियर, 16 पीसेस हियर, ब्लैक्स एंड वाइट्स. और तुम्हारी कोई गोटी घूम गई एंड वन ऑफ द पीसेस इज लॉस्ट, सो यू रिप्लेस इट विद दिस थिंग. I put it here, it works well, no problems. That is, I defined it abstractly as a piece of my own. So I'm call it a knight or a pawn. That depends on me which piece I have lost. So abstract things, you can think of it as anything. We can use our imagination. Okay, so this, let me say this is a brush, but abstractly one can tell that one uses it to clean. A person uses this to clean his or her teeth, but one can also say that it is used to also clean the shoes, and one can also say that you can do this thing, and then like there are scrubbers, and one apply the scrub or stuff like that thing, abstractly defined. So that is not the point. Okay, but with death comes birth, and the rock down the bottom breaks, and the seed sown into the ground gets to meet its mother, and then it grows until another rock falls, and it circles. For the poet, when the ink ends or the pages aren't enough, that does not stop her, or not when she is dead. She can't move. She stops to breathe when the warmth is not felt, or the beauty in her eyes is blind, and she grows and not a child anymore. ऐसे मतलब ऐसे मैं कोई पोएट वगैरह थी, वो ट्राई मारते रहता है. सीखनी चाहिए बंदे को नई नई चीज़ें. एंड दिस हैज़ क्रॉस्ड लाइक, वेट फॉर 5 seconds and I will say 9 minutes. 9 minutes. So क्या करेगा बाबा? I like these coffee. This is Sleepy Owl French Vanilla Premium Instant Coffee. 10 rupees a pouch with 3 grams. Pure ecstasy. And Rach Manioff, if I'm maybe correct to pronounce that name correctly. What an dumb statement that I made. Not even grammatically and literatically correct. I forgot the statement which I made to pass judgment upon. So I will say that I am a fool bewitted by ना bewitched नहीं, bewitched by love. अरे मतलब ऐसे पागल बना मैं कॉन्शियसली करता हूँ, पागल नहीं हूँ मैं. ये मेरा फाउंटेन पेन है, इधर से लीक कर रहा था तो मैंने वैक्स पोर कर दिया हर जगह, तो अब लीक नहीं कर रहा, बस और क्या. लाइफ इज सिंपल, यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक इट सिंपल. हाँ, एनी some music recommendation, obviously Niccolo Paganini and then Sergei Rachmaninoff, then Eric Satie, Frédéric Chopin, मोजार्ट तो पता ही होगा सबको, क्लॉड डीब्यूसी भी पता होगा, हिल्डेगार्ड वॉन बिंजन, ये वो ऐसे वो होते ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं, वोकल्स वाले गाने होते हैं जो मेन वो कंपोज करती थी. बहुत पुरानी लेडी है, लगभग शायद से 11th या 12th सेंचुरी के आसपास की हैं. टॉम वेट्स, टिम बकली, रिचर्ड वैगनर, आर्नल्ड शोनबर्ग. अभी के लेते बाकी बाद बता देगा, चक दो फट्टे. बाय है वो वो मैं नहीं कहता जब मैं स्लीपर बिल्डर मेरा. विक्रम कुछ बोल इधर देख के, विक्रम कुछ बोल इधर देख के, बोल देना कुछ तो.
विक्रम 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 बाहर देख.
अबे क्या हो गया, अरे बोल देना.